And I am Unbound Trooper. Today, I just went to Tats, and I bought 2 Evolutions Pokemon cards. We bought a Raichu one, and we bought a Venusaur one. So let's get these bad boys opened. Here's the code.
Is it 4-8? Is it 4? Yes.
Okay. Oh! Okay, so we got a Blastoise Spirit Link. We'll set that in the Spirit Link pile. Put the Raichu pack away. We've got an Energy Retrieval, Kakuna, a Charmander, a Rattata, a Diglett, a Ghastly, a Caterpie, a Magikarp, and an Electroid. Good pack. Okay, on to pack number 2. Okay. This one's the Venusaur, Lucky Charm, give milkshake. Shout out to Mr. Leaf, because he's like the person I know who opens Pokemon packs, and I really like his videos, so shout out to him. And okay, so wait, is there another card? Oh, TCG. TCG, yes. Like I showed them. 3. Okay, we got a Porygon, a Pokédex, a De-Evolution Spray. We got a Diglett. We got a Charmander again. We got a Voltorb. We can evolve it. And Fire Energy, a Vulpix, Electabuzz, and a Dugong. Electabuzz looks cool. Okay, guys. See you next time. I know I haven't been getting on the videos, but
Hello.
sorry we haven't been getting on the videos, but yeah. See you next time on our next adventure.